if I cry fixated
on the Chelsea Barcelona game.
Of course, Mama, special mentioning.
Is it not just 3 points?
Yeah.
Like any other game?
Of course, but it's big. And on the game, no. The man over Ghana, for instance, the man is a big pano. And say, Barca for the few say, FIFA Club World Cup now, Mokoje, no man will be in Munya Kwanje. Right? And a Chelsea for so, oh, now, as a man who can do Champions League now, I can once and say, Oba Club football is the biggest, no. A PSG and a J. Sa PSG no. Only in the call final and a question no. So now Barcelona person catch we as in now say. Sen come call FIFA Club World Cup ni be anka Chelsea. Enti anje the FIFA Club World Cup ni bi. Enti enyumene nie. Beat them and get the bragging right. Asem ni na the game no. Is so huge and big and no.
But it's just about 3 points actually.
Yeah. I mean there. And
Obian winning match now. It doesn't end the season.
Agwani bien puma. Kofi, mami sanu one way to you. Me de mimidi kan catch you. Senyami aduma enyumre. Ye book game ni we around be tenim ho ni ye wie. Ni a Chelsea. Ochira me medjuma. My whole holiday.
No.
I'll kill you.
Oh yeah, you can't do it.
Whoa.
Untimi be she senior. Champions League movies ube kill you obi.
Mate.
Untimi she.
Yo.
Ija wo dey ma Everton 1 man down. Everton dey inquiry e betimi didi hu be 2 years o. Nti ene ho asemato.
Okay.
Rich. I think that Maresca any Chelsea force should be very proud of themselves for where they've come in their project. And now, meeting Hans-Dieter Flick, he was very, very clear in terms of the successes that Chelsea for Enya with their projects. Any baby Omaha could do, and I think that is going to be the huge consolation before Chelsea starts the night, which 3 years ago. Now, a possible see about Chelsea in Barcelona din, see about Chelsea match. If you go to the various bookmakers. And my team, it's not saying me research as share bet. I'm a boys. Rich, most of them, Chelsea have been given the added advantage. Odds know Chelsea side to be able to win the game against Football Club Barcelona. I don't know if 2 years ago you expected that this will happen. See a Kwakobo game, but the odds are favoring that Chelsea can beat Barcelona.
No,
that is the progress of the Chelsea project too. And that is where I want to look at it from. You see, there are a lot of underpinning stories at Ene. The main reason the football will be played on. What is going to happen to Marco Correa Alba against the former side from the days at the La Masia? What is going to be the conversation between Chelsea, Lamine Yamal and Estevao? Is Estevao going to start? And yeah, preparation edin komona ewiano ne yete say abranti your friend Cole Palmer back in the conversation, and Cole Palmer starts a training, something that seemed to be very, very important. Like all of these things, there are a lot of underlining stories. Which Kaya, about a year or so ago, 2 ago, 3 years ago, Chelsea for started on projects no. And Abranti a friend of Rafinha. Chelsea for started on projects no. No person players. One of the players they wanted to buy was Rafinha. So Chelsea for Barcelona for Rafinha up and down. Jude Koundé. So all of those stories are there. And it is going straight to happen tonight at the Stamford Bridge. I know I don't have a lot of time, so I want to go straight now. Let me come more about how the game be won and lost. And then when Chelsea stay at home to play against Football Club Barcelona in a big game, when Chelsea stay at home to play against Football Club Barcelona, our Champions League, how is the game going to be like? Rich.
Let me share. The last time I'm aboard Barcelona, Camp Nou lineup, Chelsea, Courtois, and Edem, Antonio Rudiger, Christensen, Aspilicueta. I'm gonna ball about 3. wing backs of Alonso and then Victor Moses, Infinity of Fabregas, and then Kante, and Nimo 3 of Hazard, Willian, and Giroud. I'm going to lead the attack. Edema Chelsea, Barcelona, and so Testegen. At our goal post, Mtiti ni Piqué ball 4 and 5. 2 and 3 of Sergio Roberto, and then Jordi Alba. Infinity 2 of Sergio Busquets, and then Ivan Rakitic. I'm going to Gina Infinity, Omonimono was Iniesta, and then Osman Dembele. And Nimo Pano. The last third of Barcelona department, was Luis Suarez and then Lionel Messi. That was the score. I'm sorry, lineup of an enemy Nano will be at the starting tee, and then maybe as well bit me a probable then in defending command
don't worry, okay, we'll give you all of those things now. And yes, I ain't even punish your team for let's give them why they came. When you look at the conversation between Chelsea and Barcelona, I think that's over this part of Africa. They will probably be top 5 clubs of Power Africa. So I'll share Barcelona and I'll share Chelsea. And there are a lot of fans. And Lutina and Komodo in Kofodi Bebre, TV room to TV room, Omudino from pub to pub. From radio station to radio station, the conversation will be had between Chelsea and the football club Barcelona. The truth of the matter is that there are new players, unlike late Snabo boy, new faces are them.
Yeah.
Rich, when you look at Enzo Fernandez, this season, I've said several times that he is a tactical eye of Enzo Maresca or partners. When he signed for Chelsea 3 seasons ago, I don't know if he dreamt of nights like this. Chelsea, following in their projects, have always believed that they are putting together a team that will grow together, have the experience and the confidence to play in big games with say against big names like Football Club Barcelona. But Rich, regardless of the fact that Barca doesn't have Messi and it's our big names, no, they are real team game changers. Look at somebody like Frankie de Jong in the middle of the park, who control the game and then make it exciting, even in the absence of Pedri Gonzalez. He will be to say Rafinha, who I was telling you, say, Abrana Chelsea for Epe Quine, Ato players at the time. They tried to convince Abrana and Rafinha, who was at Leeds United, to sign for them. We know the story. It didn't happen. Then, the final little story, and now, pre-match press conference, Ubiaba Yebisan Lamine Estevao. Lamine Estevao, which is Estevao there. Me a Chelsea need here. But let's be honest with Lamine Yamal. Estevao doing the level, let's see, start today, ne compare Lamine na. Is it not too early? Are we not shoving the young Brazilian into baby? Ebia, ne fin rules of a corner. And you Chelsea for the cocaine. It was journalists like you. I'm telling you about pre-match press conference. And your journalist Chelsea
compare Branteno.
Chelsea fans.
Maybe Alami Yama Bobo Nestava will do.
Exactly.
Accept that fact.
But who has said that? I'm the one who's bringing that to you. I said that fact. I'm the one who's saying that.
Oh, Crambo Winnie. And so as I hope so,
what I'm saying is that. And during the pre-match press conference, journalists were asking the coaches.
Okay, so
so let me go on. I ask you. Besides, is it far-fetched? Besides, one better. Me say between the two players, baby, I did Estevao. Any too much, kaka. We need to take your time because Enra, Spanish journalist, Spanish a friend is saying aggregators. Everybody is asking them say now. I'm gonna be saying Enzo Maresca say between Laminion. I like Enzo Maresca's approach and answer to the question. Or say, boy Nusa, he should enjoy his football and stop comparing about say Ene or you're better than Lamine or China or you're better than Way or China or you're better than Sa player we know. What Enzo Maresca said was that the boy should think of being better than himself day by day. And then say Estevao say 2 goals. Omon pa yenye no say nyame ad no China be say 3 goals. That is what matters to him. The focus should be about Estevao Willian versus Estevao Willian, not Estevao versus Lamine. Because to be very honest, what Lamine has achieved at this point in time on the footballing career, no, Estevao is not there. And no more bisa kukunea. as a teammate of Estevao, any Abrantia friend Lamine Yamal, Omubisa Rafinha as a teammate of Estevao, any Lamine Yamal. All of them gave excellent access to the issue, and I loved it. Rich, did Maresca lie to us? Because Cole was training. And many Cole's be blanco for business. Now Cole be buana.
I said it.
What did you say?
Oh, send me down and me catch that man for say, look, I suspect. Say Chelsea for ne moving on bezo me train. My games.
Say on be dada basa for
say Kupa me pra. But
I don't think Kupa will play.
So why is he training?
Oh, Maresca Ebeka say.
Because I'm catch say. I ran to the baby I will plan on to me fan and I crash bootum.
Who's that next day Ebeka just my specialized boot for him to start training. What's the memo I add it now?
Me kaipa.
Exactly.
Is it there?
Maresca
special boot.
Say any toe no. So maybe it's going to be in a way affecting the toe no boots in him. Just small a friend is saying making of the boots to make sure say BBA come.
So I started cry be Albania some minutes to play.
In some matches.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think Maresca will play him, but I'll wait to see.
Okay.
Rich, just when the picture of Estevao Willian any Kopama by, and then we saw this. Rich, I think that this is going to be Chelsea's strength. Chelsea's strength is not going to be about just Estevao alone or Palmer alone. Adia Bakwa manage one pa and say, at this point in time, Chelsea forward are getting Cole Palmer back to come and play football. At a time where Onu Cole Palmer no abano, the team is already scoring. Chelsea show more matches. It's Cole Palmer by count man. He is an add-on in terms of creativity to the team. On man by carry side, which is very, very good for them. Which let's get into the match proper quickly. New commoner. Enzo Maresca say,
oh, you got 2 minutes.
Barca have too many weapons. We must be perfect to win. And that is true. Which what's your Barca team now? They are a very good team tactically in the middle of the park. And idea about Emma Barca is strong is the ability to press and counter press. For a lot of the times, people say oh, Barca more highline into Chelsea be show. No. If the high line is perfect and they press well, Chelsea will need to be also perfect, like what Enzo Maresca is saying, to stand a chance of beating Football Club Barcelona and then you may Stanford Bridge on them. Maresca spoke about that high line. And I'll say, their high line is a factor, for sure. But we also need to pay attention off the ball. Else, we are in trouble and they are going to beat us. This from Hansi Dieter Flick. Dieter Flick say, we know how we want to play. And we will do whatever it takes to do that. Rich, I want to ask you this. Barca's biggest weakness coming into this game. Because Hansi Flick, any Barca team, too clear in how they want to play, they don't change. And their biggest weakness. Yeah.
Sometimes they are so pragmatic. Games beyond how you approach it.
Yeah.
This is how Charles again now feels all highline anymore. Change. Tweak.
Don't go too high. Drop a line.
So if you say the out to center and him,
yeah.
And never match Chelsea any advantage of
beating you 20 meters, 10 meters.
Or stop.
Yeah.
But the normal game I fit a bit two players now. Let them play. But so corner cast media say na me game plan me person set up like this. Young boy highline no. Now much Chelsea that space to operate that pocket of space is not. They will take advantage of it and beat you. This is Champions League. It means say my friend Hansi Flick.
So yeah.
Say line on me and tun kwetire ho.
Bear how many minutes?
Aquano bo game ni bi.
Oh, Aquano.
Aquano baba Aquano.
Don't say that mo baby.
Mo de share ni.
That is the case when it comes to Abrantia, your friend Hansi Dieter Flick there. Then I am seeing some possible starting lineups here. I don't agree with them. Mehu Robert Sanchez, Malo Gusto, Chaloba, Adarabiayo, Kukurea. This doesn't look like a starting lineup that will start for Chelsea. Enzo Maresca was clear, said he rested Wesley Fofana purely to be fresh for some matches, so Wesley will play. I am confident that Benoit Bedashile able 45 minutes against Burnley. It is because he starts in this game.
Okay.
Why? So against Barcelona, you need a natural left-footed centre back to be able to build up. And then if Chelsea will stand a chance of beating Barcelona, they need to be perfect in build-up you need a natural left footer. Ultimately, but Chaloba on the left, the angles will not favor you. So, okay, Arsenal, Torian Hotspur. The reason in here Arsenal, Mikel Arteta, Kobo, Hankapier on the left, out of Mosquera, was the angles of the press. It was very important. I'm wrapping up, so don't worry. And Ushe games now, I'm expecting Fofana, Badiashile, Kukurea, Reece James, then Malo Gusto. What I want to Enzo Maresca and say, Inka Ombo Pedro Neto on the left. Now Combo Estavao on the right. Play Liam Delap and then Joao Pedro in there. Me expecting Barcelona lineup no. Kubasi any apprentice friend Gerard Martin because of a left centre back. Again, I feel like Sebastian Kobo match with two right-footed centre backs they open it up for Chelsea to beat them. And then Kunde Balde, Frankie de Jong, Eric, Ferran, and of course Femi Lopez up top. Rich, I think Chelsea win the game tonight.
Okay.
I think so. And then you meet at the Stamford Bridge. This is a game that Chelsea will win. Meshopa, I need to.
And remember, the line coming to Benti, preview of the game and son the commentary no idea bro mtimi ni problem
so mama fa me code ni to jana and our boys need this bebre and so person mo discount
okay
mama nya the fast na me friend to jam mom se na be ya mo betimi akofi kesi ma ko twa me so ene code no utie me e wo Nhyira TV so dia na why in the fast first one no e BW23 9B75C5 and no NAF first one. No second one no BW23 again 9AE46E. Third one no BW23 9ABBFF. Fourth one BW23 9A4COF. And the last one BW23 9A094B. Rich, Michelle, diaspora for no more code ni be a channel. The number is still there for them.
No problem.
I'm reach out to Andy and I say Albert on 055 575 2270.
All right. Edamase. Alaska Star Enterprise, my culture se bro nyeba.